on the road and we are on our way to Peppa's. We are on Bottom Road and we're trying to get a taxi to go there. So we'll see you there. See you there.
Hey
So we
guys,
got a cab
and we're heading to Peppa's. Yes. So we're looking forward to the taste of the food.
the wait time,
Yeah, how
the
they
customer service,
how
the
long
price.
Yes, the price, because I know so cheap at Jamaica.
Oh yeah, we are. We're on a budget. We're eating on a budget.
Alright, see you guys when we reach. Hi guys, so
Right, so
we're
we're
here at
at
Peppa's, right? And we have our waiter awaiting to take our order, right?
Yeah.
So what's your name? What? Corey? Okay, so we have Corey is gonna assist us today in Look Cutie. Alright. So Sash, what you gonna have today?
I'm gonna have the chicken quesadilla, the chicken wing, barbecue, and the mashed potato, and just some water.
Alright, no for
What
me.
are you having for that?
Them don't have my ribs in my what? Right? So what's your meal that you would normally recommend? You have no meal? But fish?
Fish, yeah. I have bestseller. Yes. A bestseller? Fish, a bestseller.
Alright, so
Korma.
alright, what I want is the chicken wings and one serving, and I want the mashed potato. You have any ripe plantain?
Don't. Nice. If they do, I put one.
Let me see. Yeah, make that one some ripe. Alright.
Weapon,
Yeah, ripe plantain.
spicy, fry, and barbecue.
Barbecue.
Mashed potato, and green pepper.
Ripe plantain, no one. Place our order. So now we're going to wait.
It is.
Yes, set the time because
Let me set my timer. Hold on.
yes. So we're setting the time because we want to know if the customer service is good.
And how
If-
long?
How long we have to wait for food? Because we're well hungry, right? Press out. Alright. So should do that too. Alright. The timer is on. Alright. So let's see. Here with my waiter, Corey. And because we had to change our order because they don't have any wings, so I'm gonna have the steamed fish. So I'm here to choose my fish. So which one of the fish them you like? Which one of the thing if you choose? Them all look alike, don't?
But the bigger cake, the better.
The better. I'm glad me there on here. Sir, me don't eat scale. Alright? Alright. Choose one for me now. The one here? You sure? Or the one here? Alright, the one here. So, hi guys. So we have received our meal right now and it's looking all good. Let me make you see. That's the fish, the mashed potato. We have the plantain here. Right. We have Sash over there eating some fried chicken.
Alright, so
Share a video. Yes,
Alright,
guys.
so
So
we
we
got our
finally get our meal. Right? So stay tuned.
and it
Right?
took
43 minutes for us to receive our meal. So we're going to eat now and we'll tell you all about it later. And our waiter is still here with us, not annoyed. And I pay a trouble me give him. Alright guys, so we are enjoying our meal. Yeah.
Following this feeling, I'm conquering this fear. I'm busting through the ceiling. I'm following your lead. I'm following this feeling, conquering this fear. I'm busting through the ceiling, busting through the ceiling, busting through the ceiling.
Alright, hey guys, so
Hi.
we're leaving right now and we're really stuffed.
we're
We're
real
really
full, like
full.
I ate everything.
So I had to get a takeout box to take mine. So what happened is that we're giving our review based on the service, the time we got the meal,
And the food.
and the food overall.
Right.
So right now, I'm really happy about the service. Corey was really good.
Yes,
Right. He
yes.
was with us all the time, check up on us, and if we ask him what him think, him definitely ready. And he's a trainee because he said he's only been here
For 2 months.
for 2 months and he's awesome. I've been to Peppa's before and anyways, we won't touch that. So
Oh, and also he took out his phone and he was ready to, follow us on or subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and we thought that was very good. That was very friendly of him.
yes. So we didn't like the time that we got our meal. We
No,
had
it
to
took
wait.
us like 46 minutes.
Yeah, that time for
So
a
it took
meal.
us 23 minutes to get like the sides that we ordered, because we had to order sides because we were so hungry we couldn't wait on the main course, so we had to get sides. So for my side I got chicken quesadilla, Tobiah got plantains and mashed potatoes. So I mean 23 minutes, that's not really good, but I won't kill them for it,
Yeah.
because today's a Saturday. So
Well, I think they need to work on that still. It's either, if you know that the meals are done to order, it's either you're going to do a complimentary side for your customers. Me know say not every one of the meal them go take so long, but for those that take so long, just give them a little fries, because you don't know, people them well hungry
True.
and them come to come enjoy the meal, right?
True.
Not to gas up them belly. So the meal was really good.
yes, the meal was great actually. The only thing, like, I was kind of pissed off when I ordered wings only to be told that they didn't have wings. I feel like that should be a must for every restaurant, because it's a finger food and that most persons, they normally get
Yeah,
wings.
so that's the reason why I had steamed fish, because I originally ordered
Wanted rib.
wings, because
Oh,
we
wings,
never
yeah,
have
yeah.
any rib.
Yeah.
So I originally ordered wings, which you'll see that I did, but I end up with fish because they didn't have any wings. Well, guys, Peppa's price is
We paid
$5,766.
And
In
we-
case you don't have to order any side meal, the price will be reasonable for you, right?
Oh, and one other thing, I think they don't have like a wide variety in terms of the fish, because they only had, like 2 pounds, and so forth. And because of that, Tobiah had to order a really big fish that she couldn't.
Yeah, they never have any 1 pound fish, and it's $1,500 a pound for the fish, and I had to get a pound and a half, and it come up to $2,000. So in US amount, your bill would probably come up to $54 $54 US, depending on their rate, or $55 US. Is you're from the US. If it's pound, I believe it would be about 40. I don't know, but it's reasonable based on what you order. As I said, if we didn't order the sides, our bill would have come down to a little bit.
Right. So if they, all right. So I think they need to improve on their speed of service. Of course, we want to ensure that the food is done properly, but put something in place so that in the meantime we're waiting, we're snacking on something.
Yeah.
Even if it's on
Definitely.
the host. Yeah.
Yeah. I believe that. But anyways, for all the pepper lovers out there, we're not bashing peppers. We did have a great time. We did enjoy the atmosphere, right? There was somebody there celebrating them 100th birthday,
and
yes, so
I felt that was so nice.
yes, so we did enjoy ourselves. Stay tuned to our
And one other thing, Corey, big up yourself. I'm not sure.
big up yourself, Corey.
This
Come in
video.
say yeah, go subscribe. Yes, our first subscriber, right? So,
Alright, so
stay
from,
tuned.
Alright, so let's rate from 1 to 10. So from 1 to 10,
Peppers, they are 8. Wanna say?
Alright,
let
so-
us know your comments below if you think the same thing.
or if you've ever been there, or
yeah.
based on what we say, what you think. Alright, so I would give them 8.5, just because Corey, he was good. He was actually the first, well, no, not the first, but he was one of the best that I've had, coming here.
Yes.
But overall, ambience on point, food itself is on point. The only thing would be the time, and yeah, that's about it.
Alright, guys.
So thank you for watching.
Yes, please like, share, subscribe for our next going out, our next happening, our next restaurant, our next review. Thank you.
Bye.